Hi, I'm Nathaniel, CEO of Pickaxe. Today I want to talk a little bit about some awesome new updates coming to the knowledge base section of your Pickaxe studios. You just navigate over here to the knowledge base area within your studio, and you'll see knowledge base on the left. First of all, for all websites that you have connected, updating those as they change over time is now automatic. You don't even have to set it. If you have a website put in and your tool is using that website, we are going to check that website regularly, and when it updates, we will grab new information from the website and your Pickaxe will know about it, which is super exciting. But if you want to, you can now click refresh page and we will refresh the page right at that moment. That's one really exciting thing. The next really exciting thing is the Notion and Google connectors to the knowledge base. We now allow you, with just a couple of clicks, to connect your Notion data and your Google data in documents, in sheets, directly to the Pickaxe knowledge base. All you've got to do is log in through Notion and log in through Google, and go ahead, and when you click Add File, you'll see Link Notion page, Link Notion database. As those things change, it will be dynamically updated within Pickaxe's system. As you can see, my Google is now connected as well as my Notion, and I can go ahead and add a file, and these files are going to be updated regularly, and we're just so excited to see all the amazing things folks are going to do with this new Pickaxe superpower. So thanks, and looking forward to seeing what you build.